recognize that without our connection to God, nothing can be successful. He is the supreme educator, but he's kicked out of the public school system. You can't pray. Well, why would I send my child to a school that does not even recognize God when he is the author of all that you think you know? So this is why you have to connect education to the violence, the lack of opportunity to the violence, and the lack of love. And how can you love, in conclusion, what you don't know? If you don't know yourself, you can't love yourself. And nowhere in America's educational system are black and brown children made to know who they are, their connection to the supreme being, their connection to one another. So you can't love what you don't know. So Jesus said, love your neighbor as yourself. Well, how many of us in here as mature adults know the neighbor next door, show love to the neighbor next door, in the church, in the mosque, in the synagogue? We don't show love. There's more love in the gangs than there is in the home with their siblings. There's more love in an institution that's fighting against alcoholism and drug addiction. It goes beyond race or color. You find people in these institutions genuinely loving each other because they're struggling to overcome a sickness, a disease. Love is absent in the church. I'm sorry, love is absent in the mosque. Love is absent in the synagogue. Love is absent in the home. Love is absent between males and females in our relationship. And love is absent because God is absent in our lives. And that's why the scripture says God is love. And if we don't love one another, we don't know God. And if we loved one another, the violence would go down, the level of education would come up. The answer to all of our problems is bringing us back to a proper relationship with our Creator. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Minister Farrakhan.